But yeah, but I mean, and then like he gave us the instructions on what to do. Like everyone gave us instructions multiple times about our cell phones. Do not have them out while you're walking into the studio. Do not have them out while you're walking out of the studio. Do not have them out during production. And I don't know, they had to tell everybody, put your phone away, put your phone away, put your phone away, put your phone away.
Yeah, it was like no trying to get pictures or record or nothing while stuff was going on.
Yeah. Well, and then I got nervous because it was like you, as soon as the audience warmer comedian comes out, you know, put your phone completely away.
So it would be nice if we knew when he was coming out.
Right, if we had some warning, because they had us. What happened?
He didn't look like anybody that was a warm-up comedian.
No, he didn't. Yeah, he didn't, and he didn't come out like he was a warm-up comedian either.
Yeah.
He came out telling us the rules again.
Mm-hmm.
And so I was like, all right, he's going to introduce the warm-up comedian. And the next thing I know, he just kept going and going. I was like, oh shit, am I supposed to put my phone away now? It was like it was in my hand. And I was in the middle of shutting it down. And it didn't happen out, you know. So I was able to put it on airplane mode. And I put it away. And that was fine. And the warm-up guy, he was good. He probably was like, I'm not under the impression that he was like a stand-up comedian.
Okay, I know.
I feel like he probably was part of that whole production.
Because he's the funniest, most outgoing guy there.
Yeah.
You're a real New Yorker. You go out and talk to these people.
Well, I mean, it also, they might switch it up. But, yeah. I mean, it was fun. Other than the old dude sitting in front of us letting out farts all the time. That was like really bad. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, we're out with the public.